Good morning, WestCon. I'm Senior Student Meteorologist Erich, and thank you so much for tuning into this latest edition of Erich's Weather Outlook. Well, we had some record warmth and even some thunderstorms pass through on Monday with rather spring-like conditions. Now, I think snow's in the forecast. Yeah, that's March for you. We'll get to the details in just a bit. But right now we're sitting under partly cloudy skies throughout the Danbury area with a temperature of 41 degrees. We're sitting at a 38% humidity, and we have a northwest wind gusting at 35 miles per hour at times. And temperatures across the state are rather seasonable for this time of day. New London is sitting at the warm spot, which is 44 degrees. We're at 41 in Hartford, 43 in Bridgeport, and New York City is sitting at 41 degrees. And like I said, we do have the threat for snow in the forecast. That's going to be coming on Wednesday. It could be lasting throughout the majority, if not all of the day, with possibly moderate heavy snow. I'll get to the accumulations in just a bit. Either way, we look to have a rather pleasant end to the work week before another system looks to enter our region this upcoming weekend, and it's looking to be rather potent. For now, though, we just have a few snow showers in New York State, some lake effect snow showers that shouldn't be moving into the region for us. We just have a few of these clouds streaming from the Great Lakes that have invaded the region, and that is why we are seeing some of those low-level clouds outside today. Now let's transition our attention to the southeast. For reference, here's Florida right here, and here's Texas right here. Massive clouds is really starting to take shape within that region as an area of low pressure continues to develop and mature. And this is set to move northeastward and passing just off the south coast of New England. But before that, we have this area of high pressure that will move through, continuing tonight and providing us with dry conditions before that area of low pressure moves into our region with rather light accumulations I'm expecting. But first, let's talk about the timing. This one computer model suggests around 9 a.m. we could see the snow starting to break through the region, and then possibly getting moderate at times during the afternoon hours around 1 p.m. The thing with this system is that we're going to have temperatures around the mid-30s, so it's going to be a wet and slushy snow, and therefore it's going to have a hard time really accumulating even if we do get moderate snow. But either way, the snow around 6 p.m. should be moving out around that time frame before all is said and done. So for accumulations, I'm expecting about 1 to 3 inches statewide. Like I said, kind of rather light accumulations, maybe a bit higher in the Litchfield Hills. Really, it's going to be kind of elevation dependent on whether we see higher accumulations from the system. But overall, not really too much of a significant storm. But now let's talk about our next system for this weekend that will be impacting our region for Saturday. A dip in the jet stream is going to allow for this area of low pressure to really blossom as it moves towards the northeast through our region. There's going to be a really fine divide line between the warm air and the cold air on the eastern and western part of this area of low pressure, respectively. So I'm expecting moderate to possibly heavy rain on Saturday with temperatures in the lower 50s. But now the question is, does this cold air invade in time to transition our precipitation from rain to snow later Saturday night? Well, it's certainly possible, but that's the details we have to work out as we go closer towards the event. But either way, we're going to see moderate to heavy rain on Saturday with gusty winds, possibly change over to snow later that night before this area of high pressure moves into the region on Sunday and providing us with rather sunny conditions. Today we'll have a rather seasonable high of 42 degrees with a northwest wind at 5 to 15, gusting to 25 miles per hour, so a rather blustery day. And then tonight clouds will thicken, maybe the chance of light snow showers as we go throughout the night. But the main threat arrives by Wednesday morning. Wet and slushy snow throughout the day. I'm going with a high of 36 degrees, so accumulations are not going to be that high with that temperature. We'll dry things out for Thursday. It will be sunny by the afternoon hours with AM clouds, 48 degrees, upper 40s again for Friday with partly cloudy skies. Then we have that storm system on Saturday, 53 degrees, rain and breezy, maybe a transition to snow late, like I said. And don't forget, Saturday night, we have to change those clocks 1 hour ahead by 2 a.m. That means our sunset, it's going to be at 7 p.m., which and I'm pretty sure a lot of other people are really happy about. And then Sunday, 37 degrees, a bit chilly, but we will be under mostly sunny skies. Please don't forget to follow us on social media. I'm Senior Student Meteorologist Erich. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.